Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel USA Immigration and Visa, your go-to channel for all things related to US visas and immigration. Today we're diving into a critical question you might face during your B1/B2 visa interview. What are your plans after the visit? Ever stood in a room with your palms sweating, rehearsing answers to a question that seems simple yet weighs so much? If you're prepping for a B1/B2 visa interview, this might sound all too familiar. The question, what are your plans after the visit, is more than just casual chit-chat. Let's break it down step by step, and arm you with the tools to nail that response. At the heart of the B1/B2 visa lies a simple purpose: temporary visitation to the US, whether it's for business, pleasure, or medical treatment. The officials aren't trying to trip you up with tricky questions, they genuinely want to ensure you'll head back home once your visit wraps up. It's not just about the one question. Visa officers might rephrase it or ask something related. Here are some alternatives. 1. How do you plan to spend your time after your US trip? 2. When do you plan to return to your home country? 3. What's compelling you to return home after your visit? 4. Do you have responsibilities awaiting you post-trip? Now, let's move on to crafting the perfect answer. Crafting the perfect answer is an art. It needs a blend of honesty, clarity, and specifics. Let's break it down. Visa officers are trained to spot inconsistencies. Honesty makes your answer consistent, believable, and genuine. For example, if you're attending a 2-week workshop, don't exaggerate it. Just state it as it is: I'm attending a 2-week photography workshop in New York. This shows the officers that your visit has a purpose directly tied to your life back home, reinforcing the idea that you'll return. If you're a university professor attending a seminar in the US, you could say, I'm attending an academic seminar on modern literature. The insights from this seminar will be invaluable for the new curriculum I'm introducing in my university in India next semester. Tangible evidence is proof of your commitments in your home country. This showcases that you have pressing reasons to return after your visit. Here are some examples. 1. Employment. If you have a stable job, mention it. I've been employed as a senior engineer at XYZ Corp in Brazil for the past 6 years. Here's a letter from my employer granting me short leave for this trip and expecting my return for an important project. 2. Property. Owning property can be a strong tie. I own a house in Manila and have no intention of abandoning it. I've even attached a copy of my property deed. 3. Family ties. Mention if you have family depending on you. My elderly parents and 2 young children live in Cairo. They rely on me, and I need to get back to them. Your answer might lead to another question. Being prepared ensures you don't get caught off guard. If you mention attending a business seminar, a follow-up might be, who's conducting the seminar, or how does this seminar align with your current job profile? A holistic answer shows the visa officer you've planned meticulously. It reduces the chances of them doubting your intent. Instead of just saying, I'll return after my sister's graduation, you could add, after my younger sister's graduation in Miami, I'll be heading back to Mexico City. We're throwing her a welcome back party. Plus, I've got to be back for my role as the maid of honor for my best friend's wedding the following month. Let's explore potential scenarios and their respective answers. I'm attending a 3-day conference in San Francisco. Post the conference, I plan to implement the knowledge gained in my company back in India. We have a major project lined up, and this conference will equip me with the requisite skills. I've been with my company for 5 years, and they're counting on my return. I'm thrilled to explore the US with my family for 2 weeks. After the trip, we plan to head back home to Canada. My kids have school, and I have a business that I've been running for a decade. This trip is a short break from our routines. I'm visiting my sister in New York for a month. After the visit, I intend to return to my job in London. I've been employed there for 3 years, and I've already discussed this short leave with my employer. Finally, some key points to remember. 1. Stay calm. Interview nerves can be real. Deep breaths and preparation can alleviate this. 2. Specificity is golden, avoid vague answers. Specifics showcase clarity in your intentions. 3. It's okay to offer documents. If you've got them, flaunt them. Documents can act as proof and reinforce your claims. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating the US visa process. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your visa interview.